back to my channel. My name is Hafizh Septian. I am from Technical Department in Polytechnic Bumi. My register number is 19.55.2062. I would like to explain engine room tools.
The ball peen hammer, often termed the machinist hammer, is a very useful tool aboard ship. The head of the hammer is made of hardened steel. The handle is of hickory or other hardwood. The flat portion of the head is called the face, and the other end is known as the pin, the latter being used for hitting, rivets, and similar pinning or drawing operation. The hole for the handle is the A. Ball peen hammer are classed according to the weight of the head without the handle. They vary in size from 4 ounce to 2 pounds, 3 popular size being the 6 ounce for light work, the 12 ounce for general utility, and the 16 ounce for heavy work. The strike pin hammer is used for spreading or drawing out metal in line with the handle, while the cross pin hammer is used for the same operation at right angles with the handle. The claw hammer is used for driving and pulling nails. Hammer with heads made of soft materials such as lead, copper, pebble, raw wood, plastic are called soft hammer. Soft hammer are generally used where a steel hammer might mar or injure the work. Never work with a hammer having a loose head. A loose head will eventually fly off and might injure someone. When using a hammer, it should be held near and of the handle with the face of the hammer parallel to the work. A grip just tight enough to counter the blow is best. The correct way to hold a hammer is shown in Fig 2. How to hold a hammer? Keep the hand and the hammer handle free from grease and the oil. Otherwise, the hammer may slip from the grasp. It should also be remembered the oil or grease on the hammer face might cause it to slip off the work and lead to a painful bruise. Don't rain the hammer handle by using it for pounding or prying purpose. Sledge or sledgehammers are used for heavy work. They can be procured in both single-phase and double-phase types. A double-phase sledge being shown in Fig 3 and vary a weight from 4 to 20 pounds. The handle vary in length up to 36 inch. Number 2. Screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers have 3 main parts: the handle, which is gripped by the user, the shank, which is the steel portion extending from the handle, and the blade, which is the end that fits into the slot of the screw.
Several types of screwdrivers are shown in Fig 4. 1. The standard screwdriver is used for most ordinary work and comes in a variety of size. The blade must have sharp corner and fit the slot in the screw closely, otherwise it is likely to slip and damage the slot. It's also important that a screwdriver be held firmly against the screw to prevent it from slipping and injuring the worker or the work. 2. The offset screwdriver makes work possible in tight corner where the strike type will not enter. It has one blade for get in line with the shank and the other blade at right angles to the shank. 3. The Phillips type screwdriver is made with a specially shaped blade to fit Phillips type cross slot screw. The head of these screws have two slots that cross in the center. The checks the tendency of the screwdriver to slide out of the slot into the finished surface of the work. 4. The ratchet screwdriver is used to drive or remove small screws rapidly. Some screwdrivers have handles made of insulating material and are useful when electrical work is being done. When a screwdriver with an insulated handle is not available, the handle of other screwdrivers can be insulated by wrapping them with tape. While the screwdriver shown in Fig 4 has a round shank, some heavy-duty screwdrivers are made with a square shank. The construction enables the torque of the screwdriver to be increased by applying a wrench to the square shank. A heavy-duty screwdriver, also a special screw-holding screwdriver, are shown in Fig 5. Fig 6. Correctly ground tip. The tip of screwdriver blade should be ground so that the sides of the blade are parallel and the blade side should gradually taper out to the shank body, as shown in Fig 6. If the end of the blade is damaged, it can be made serviceable again by means of the grinding wheel. First, grind the tip straight and at a right angle to the shank. After the tip is ground square, trace off some each face a little at a time. Keep the face parallel for a short distance or have them taper in a slick amount. Never grind the face so that they taper to a sharp edge at the tip. Don't use screwdriver to check an electrical circuit where the ampere is high. The electrical current might be strong enough to form an arc and melt the screwdriver blade. It's so bad practice to try to turn a screwdriver with a pair of pliers or to use it as chisel. Don't hold work in the hand while using a screwdriver. If the blade shifts, it can cause a bad cut. Hold the work in a vise secure and it a clamp, or stand it firmly on a solid surface. If such pressurization are impossible, take care to have no part of your body in front of the screwdriver blade. The safety rule applies to any sharp or pointed tool.
So, this is my explanation of some of the tools in the engine room. I hope you enjoy with my video. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.